Okay, so this is how I'm going to have students sign up for pre-testing, at least for the first 2 days of summer school. So I'm just going to go right here to my Google Calendar. And let's pretend, since tomorrow has nothing on it, let's just pretend that I want to do this for tomorrow. I've got kids who need to pre-test tomorrow and I want them to sign up. So I just click on the date, come up here to create, and I'm going to just maybe put something like, English 3 pretest appointments or something like that. And then I go to the appointment slots, and I've got the date already, the 19th, and I'm going to do this from, let's just say, I'm going to wake up late and do this from 10 to 5. And then it's already got right here slots with duration 30 minutes. And that's kind of what Cheryl had suggested to me to give the kids for time. And so I'm just going to do that and hit save. And then when a kid can access this, they will look at this in a different way. But this is now one appointment for one kid. If I want more than one kid on my on my Google Meets, then I'm just going to go here and I'm going to go duplicate for that day. Everything stays the same, and I'm just going to save it again. And now I've got spots or slots for 2 kids. But let's say like I really just want to do, maybe 4 kids in a meeting just to really kind of get those pre-tests done and out of the way. So then just hit duplicate again. Under your 3 buttons here, duplicate again. And so now I've got 4 appointments for that day, and technically 4 different students can sign up for their slot. Now, how do I save this? You only have to click on one of them and then go to down here and publish event. And really this will take the kids to the same spot. So for example, I'm going to pull up my email here, and let's just say when I compose an email to the kids, sorry, my computer is a bit slow. I'm going to send this out to the kids, and I'm going to say, okay, sign up for your pre-test here. I'm actually going to just maybe hyperlink that. So I'll double click on here, go down to the hyperlink, and then I'm going to just paste where that link I got from when I published the calendar, hit OK. And now here's what it looks on the kids' side. So they're going to click here, go to the link, and it'll load. It'll load a little bit. It might load a little bit funny for next week. They might have to click on next week to see the assignments. Sorry, they won't see this. That just shows up because I'm the owner. But, so yeah, let me leave that. But when they click on that, they should access the Google Calendar here. And for Friday, there you go. You've got your 4 slots for 11, 4 slots for 11:30, however you want to do it. And so the kid will just simply click, hit save, and then you'll get an email that says that that student has booked an appointment with you. Now, if that student, let's say, goes through and clicks like, I want one here, and I want another one later in the day, and like let's just say the kid signs up for like a ton of different times, when you get that email you can just say no, and it'll cross that kid out and a different kid can get in. So yeah, hopefully that is helpful. If you also want to share just the direct link to your calendar from up here, you can do that as well. But that's how I'm going to have the kiddos sign up. So I hope that helps.